We'll wait 5 more minutes for others to join. We'll wait last 5 minutes or 5 minutes. Yeah, hello. Can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Okay. In the WhatsApp, I have shared four tasks, like to create four objects. Can you create the four objects right now? Sirisha, Harni, I think you both have done the yesterday's assignment, even Priyanka as well. So, using the same process of creation of object, you all create these four objects right now. Okay. Sirisha, you can share your screen. You can be on mute, but Sirisha or Harni, one of you can share your screen and create these four objects. Are you sharing, Sirisha? Yeah, share your screen. Uh, wait. Trisha, see the task clearly once. Open the WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp. Employee object. It's not employee object. Employee. If you see label what I have mentioned. Only employee. No space at the end. Only employee. Ah, then employees. Then API name. API name. Show me API name. API name. Change it. API name means object name. No. Go up. Object name is nothing but API name. Go up. Go up. Object name. The third one. What I have mentioned. Employee underscore. Just leave it as this. Just go back once. Go back. I'll tell you easiest way. Go back. Now click on create. Now you type employee, then plural form employees. Hmm. Just leave it as leave this as this. Hmm. Yes, super. Create save. Next. Anything you can select. Yeah. Hmm. Same like that. You enter department. Hmm. Leave it as this. Leave it as this. Don't change anything. Object name. Priyanka, Harni, Harmit, are you also doing the same? Please do it because we are going to create fields as well in these objects. Done. Create these fields. First name, last name, email, phone. In the email object, what you're doing? Hmm. Risha, you have to create fields, not records. Go to object manager. Go to object manager. Then open employees object. Open it. Now click on fields and relationship. Then create new. Then open your WhatsApp. WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, you have what I have given first name. You create a name, first name. Data type is text. Select data type as text. Hmm. So first space name. Okay. Then give length as 18. Anything you can enter. For now, 18. Field name, leave it as it is. First underscore name. Not required. Sorry, required. Make it as required. Required field. Hmm. Go down. Next. So what we have done, we have created a field. Next. Don't change anything here for the security settings. And page layout also no. Don't do anything. Like that you create others as well. Hmm. Required. Email not required. Only first name, last name required. mm, phone number, data type phone, now open department object. Let's create fields in that object. Mm, Data type is text, department space name. Location you give as a 30, length 30. Harni, are you doing this? This is very important. If you skip this, again there will be confusion for you. If any doubts, if you're stuck anywhere, let me know. Okay, you're on mute. If you're speaking, Sirisha, you're on mute. Yeah, project name required. Required, project name required. Okay. Project name is required. You created two fields. Wait. Okay, okay, no problem. We can delete this. Hmm, hmm. One second, one second. I'm sorry. Delete this project name. The fourth one. Fourth one you delete. No, no, fourth one. Fourth one. No, delete. Delete. Same you do in department as well. In the department also, first field you create a department name, right? That also you delete. We'll use the existing department. Open that. Fields and relationship. Department name twice. So delete the one which we have created. Yeah, delete it. Okay. Now go back to our project object. In this project object, yeah, fields and relationship. Create the other two fields. How many fields created? Not it. Okay.
For field of employee, first name we have to give length number or not.
Which one?
Fields for employee, first name
Yeah,
we
yeah,
have to give length number
yeah.
or not.
Length you have to give 18,
18.
like that. 18 you give.
Okay.
Hmm. You can give anything, but let's take it 18. Hmm. Yeah. Uh, you're you're in status, right? Enter values. This is a pick list field. Pick list field. So use the option enter values with each value separated by new line. Now enter the values which I have given in the WhatsApp. New, in progress, like that. Pick list is a special type of data type. It's like a drop down. We'll come to see now. So the values to from a pick list, you have to enter as a global value or here only. Here, if we are entering, then you have to enter line by line. New, then in progress, then completed. There only, there only. Here, the box, big box. Yeah. New, capital N, new, note space, enter, then in progress, in space, progress. Hmm. Okay. So all the fields have been created, right? Everyone done? Or still, if you are doing, let me know. I'll wait. Not an issue. Done. Pending. Everyone are in mute. Okay, let me share my screen. Total, how many objects are there now? There are total four objects now. There are total four objects now. Now, what are those objects? One is employee, the other one department, the other one project, project, and the other one task. Okay. Now, if I want to create a record, if I want to create a record, create a record on employee side, employee record, you will give you will give first name, you will give last name, you will give other details as well, like a phone and email. Okay. If I want to create a new record, then you will give these all fields and you will create a record. Okay. Sirisha, once you share your screen and create a record, this is very important to understand. So just focus for 5 minutes. You will get to the point where we will understand one of the important topic. Go to the employee object, not from here, from any of the application. Create an employee. Just enter. Actually, here we got two things, two names, employee name and no, not an issue. We'll delete one of this. Hmm. Hmm. Click on save. Now what Sirisha has created is one employee. One employee Sirisha has created. Okay. I want to find suppose if the employee is in one of the department like IT department and employee is assigned to the project called UI component, some project. Then there is a task or let us say employees connected to the project called SFKC and the employee has a task to do on some component UI component. Now Sirisha, go to department and create IT as one of the record. Then SFKC, you create a one project. UI component, you create a task. Now what we are doing, we created four objects. We created fields in that object. Now we are creating a record. First I have created employee record. First I created employee record. Then I have created a IT department record. SFKC project record we will create. Then UI component record will create. Now create IT. IT location. Some give Hyderabad. Yeah. Just click on save. Create one more department. Go back and create one more department. Just non-IT or Salesforce or Jira, some other department. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Just click on save. How many departments are there now? Two department records are there in department object. Same like that, you create a project now. Create project. Create SFKC tools. SFKC tools. Just project name. Just select the start date as a random. Then end date you select. Hmm. Okay, click on save and save and new. Okay, save. Okay. Create one more project. Now create a project like some uh Jira tools. Jira tools. JIRA better. JIRA. You give it as JIRA. JIRA. Yeah, Jira tools. Yeah. Then select start it and end it. Then click save. Okay. Okay. Task you create later on. But for now, so everyone, what we created one employee record. Then we have created two departments. Then I created two projects. Okay. Now just go to employees and create your name and her name and my name. More three records, please. Soon. Hmm. My voice is clear, right? Are you facing any issues? No? Okay. Hmm. Just enter. Hmm. Okay. Now, how many records? Almost three or four records are there now. Three records. Let us think. Three records are there. Arnie, Sirisha, and John. Now, now the question is. Now the question for everyone is. I have Harne record. How do I make that Harni is? How do I know that Harni is belonging to so and so project? Like Harni is belonging to one of the project like SFD, SFKC tools, and Harni belongs to the department of IT. How can I do that? See, there should be field, right? See, what is the name of the person? Harni. What is the name of the like? What is the email? What is the phone number? There are fields. Now, so to make her to show the project which Arne belongs to, what I need to have? I need to have a field called project now. Yes or no? So which type of the field the project should be. Listen to the question carefully. I need to have a project field here. Project field here. Okay, project field here to know that Harney belongs to the project some SFKC tools. SFKC tools. Okay. Now my question is this field type is email. This field type is text. This field type is phone number. What is the field type of the project now? Can we keep it as a text? It will work, right? Uh, Go to the object manager and create a field called project name. Select type as a text. Priyanka, is it clear my question? I want to know the project the Harney belongs to. Doing, I am going to create one of the field in the employee object so that whatever the project employee belongs to, whatever the department employee belongs to, I can know by seeing that field. Okay. Oh, Risha, you sharing the screen? Hello. Did anyone create this? Risha, hello. Hello. Hmm. Go to employees object. Go to employees object. Click on new. Click on new. Select data type as lookup. Select data type as lookup. I'll tell what is lookup now. Lookup. Not text, not anything. It's lookup. Lookup means match the following kind of thing. Match the employee with the project. See here the definition. Uh, Once you go to lookup, lookup means it creates a relationship that links this object to another object. This relationship will allow users to click on lookup icon, means search bar, search icon, to select a value from the list, pop-up list. The other object is the source of the values in the list. Now, what I am now doing is, I am creating lookup relation on employee object so that I can point from one employee record, I can point to the project. There are number of projects, right? So there are number of projects, an IT, non-ITs, SFKC, SFDC, Jira tools. Like this, there are number of projects now. So those projects, I can match it. I can do matching. So to do that match from one object, employee object to the project object, we need to establish a relationship between this employee object and the project object. One type of such relationship is called lookup relationship. Lookup relationship is a relationship that establish relationship between one object to another object so that we can point or we can select the second object record from the first object record. So that from Harney record, I can select SFKC tools or Jira tools record from the project object. Okay. To select such things, we have to create a special type of field called lookup relationship field. We'll observe more clearly. Now, just click on next. Now, from which object you are relating to other object? Which object? On which object you are? You are on employee object. Now, to which object you have to relate? Everyone come out of mute. If not, I will be on mute. At least you have to be unmuted when I ask some
Mhm.
questions so that I can know you are on the call or not. Okay. So from employee object, we have to switch to, we have to select, means we have to select project object, right? Project. Now you select project. So employee object is getting related with relationship with project object. So that from employee record, I can select any of the project record or project. Click on next. Project, field name, give the field name. Let it be field name, project. Then go down, go down, click on next. Leave it as it is. Field level security. Leave page layouts as well. Don't touch anything. Yes. Then related list label employees. Uh, leave this as well same. Don't do anything. Now you go to Harney record in the employee object. Now you can't go from here. You have to go to one of the application like sales application. Then open. Mhm. Okay, okay. Harney. You have to open Harney record. Now what is the field you have created? Which field you have created now? Project. Yes. Click on edit icon, that pencil icon. See, this is a special type of record now. This is not text, not phone, not email. This is lookup. Lookup means look for another object record. How you can look? Click on this icon. You'll get a list of projects. See, from that object, from project object, you created two records in the project object. That records of project object are now visible in the employee object record called Harney. How this is possible? Because we have made a lookup relationship field between employee object and the project object. This is a special type of relationship field called lookup relationship. Now select one of the project and save it. You are not typing anything, just you are searching and picking up one of the record from another object. Click save. Now, if you click on the Jira tools, click on the Jira tools. Where you went now? From employee record to object record you came because you have matched the record of employee object with the record of project object. This is one of the project. So if you click on that, You'll come to project object and you will get to open the Jira tools record. This is called relationship between two objects, and this kind of relationship is called lookup relationship. Clear, not clear? Let me know.
It's there.
Okay. Now open another
So
person's record, another person record, like and same select same project. Same same project. You can select same project or different project. See, again you create now. See here, two. One is Sirisha and one is Harni. Both are now pointing to one project, Jira tools. So this is very helpful in real time in businesses or in companies. So this is a real time example. This is a real time example. You will be having employee records in your company. You'll be having project object, project records. So to know which project is assigned to a employee, to know which task is assigned to a what you call employee, we can do this kind of relationship of fields. So these are special fields. Okay. So this is called relationship field, and this type of relationship is which we call as lookup relationship. Now let me share you. Share you. One second. I'll share you the task. Now, if you open the WhatsApp, I have shared the task. I want to create the relationship between employee and department, department to employee, project to department, project to employee, then task to employee, then task to project. Are you getting my point? I'll make it more easier. I'll make it more easier for you. One second. Create this department field on employee object. On employee object. Now, are you looking into WhatsApp, everyone? Now, in the fields for department, you create manager. Manager. Now, in the fields for project, you create department and project manager. These are all examples of lookup relationship only. There are other types of relationship that we will discuss. So this is easy now. Srisha, can you open now the employee record and start creating a lookup relationships? Whatever I have given in the WhatsApp. Click up, click on employee object in the object manager, not here. Now open a employee object and create a relationship with the department object. Lookup relationship and name it as a department. Mm-hmm. What you're selecting? Look up, look up, look up, look up. So look up to which one now? Department, yes. Hmm. Just okay, department. Next, okay, department. Yes, next. Hmm. Now open department object and create a field called manager with data type as lookup data type. Means I want to know the manager of a department. So manager means what? He is also one of the employee. So what we are doing? We are doing a relationship between department and employee and naming it as a manager now. Look up, look up, look up. Relating to employee. Field label is manager now, not employee, manager. The name of the field is now manager. Hmm. Here also manager. Hmm. So it is a relationship between department and employee, but the name we have given as a manager. Now open project. One is to project, one is to employee, one is to department. For department, the name is department only. For a project, you have to give the name it as a project manager. Hmm. Not department. Okay, leave it as department only. Yeah, department. Next. Save it. Then another relationship. To the employees now. Means who is the project manager? Like that. Then he is also employee only. The role is project manager. That's it. We have to understand. Project manager. Project manager. Hmm. Just say. Hmm. Now open. Don't open task now. Don't open task. Task you will do it later. Open now the department object like IT non-IT you created now. You open that one. Not here. Not here. From the application. Hmm. See, you can edit no manager. Who is manager? Nothing but he is also employee only now. So you created three employees now, John, Sirisha. So you can select one of the employee as a manager for this department. So this is a lookup relationship now. This is a lookup relationship from department to employee object, but the name is manager. Name I can give any name, right? Field label. So I can give any name. That is what I have shown here. Not only you have to give employee, but lookup is with the employee object, but the name to display is the manager. Everyone should remember this because okay, I'm pointing to employee, then I have to name it as employee only. No, that's not the case. If you are pointing to employee object from the project object or department object, the name can be given anything for the label, field label. Okay. So click on save. Go to the project. Go to any of the project. Now you can give department and project manager. Okay. I hope everyone are clear with this. So there will be like hundreds of projects or hundreds of objects, like at least Now in our example, we have four objects now. Four objects. To go to object manager, open object and see the relationship field to know the everything, it's very hard, right? Every time. Listen carefully. Now, every time to go to the object manager and go to the object manager once, Trisha, go to the object manager and to open the object like a project. For example, open the project like object like project and see all the fields in that project and to see all the fields in that project and to see okay department is lookup to department, modified by is a lookup to user, owner is a lookup to user group, project name is a text field. So this is very hard every time to open it. So what the Salesforce provide for us to make it easy is called schema builder. Schema builder. Schema builder. Okay. Sorry if the spelling is wrong, but it's called schema builder. So now, Srisha, click on home in the setup, click on home and type schema builder. Open schema builder. A special graph like thing will open now. Click on clear all here. Here every object will be displayed for you, but we don't want all the objects. Click on clear. Here. Click on clear. Okay. Now select here in the quick find type here is the tick. Type project. Click on project. Check it. Then select employee object. Wait. Select employee object. Again, type it there. No. Type it there. Employee. There only. Here, project is there now. Now you type employee. Remove that project and employee. Now, no. Okay. You opened it, but it is not getting displayed now. Just click on this one. More. Can't see it. Wait 1 minute. Actually, you should see it. Reload the page once. Reload the page. Yeah. Can you see it now? Employee object. It's a graphical view now. Like graph type thing, graph like thing. And it's a project now. See, from project, you have a relationship with the employee. From employee, you have a relationship with the project. Employee and project manager. Are you getting the point? Employee and project, we have a relationship. And project to project employee to project also we have a lookup relationship. So like this you can have a quick view of the objects now. How to see the relationship between the objects very easily and to see all the fields in that object. See all the fields is displayed here. This facility is called schema builder. Okay. In the schema builder, we can see the objects. Also, we can create the objects. Later, we'll see how to create the objects in the schema builder. But for now, if you want to see other objects as well now, just go to this quick find, go to this quick find and type the other objects. Let us say project, sorry, let us say department. See, you got it right? So, this is how, one second, let me clear my drawings. So, this is how there is a relationship now. You can drag and move it. You can catch it, you can hold it and move it here. Just hold it and move it. Yeah. So like this. So this shows the relationship between the objects now. Here all are lookup relationships only. So no problem. We have like a simple graph between these objects where we can see the fields and the relationship between these objects. Is it clear what is schema builder? Suppose I want to create a field now. I want to create a field now in the employee object. How I can do that? I can go to object manager and create it, right? Also, I can click on elements. Click on elements. Which type of field you want? Currency. Let us take currency. Currency. Come down. Currency. Drag it and drop it there. Yes. That's how easy it is with the schema builder. You can give it a name, salary, capital letter, starting with capital letter. So not only schema builder is used to see the relationship between the objects, but also we can modify the objects, we can create the objects, we can edit the fields, we can create the fields like that. Click on save. This is very easy, right? You have created a salary field. See, on the top you have the salary field created. You can delete a field also. You can delete a field also. Click on here. Edit object properties. Wait, not here. One second. Let me take the control. Okay, deletion we'll see later, but we'll create an object, one more object now. Click on this, sorry, one second. Not object. Go down here. Just get it down here. Sirisha, here. Hello. Okay. So let is this everyone? Is this clear for everyone? Just type in the chat at least yes, so I can understand you are listening.